How to fix Spotify password reset problem. If you're trying to change the password or reset the password of your Spotify account simply because you're trying to log in or gain access of your account, then what you can do is log into your account without even having to entering the password. So what you can do is tap on the continue with email, and right here you'll see the option which says login without password. This way you'll be able to add in your email address or your username that is linked with the Spotify account, and this will send you a link so that you can enter in your account without having to enter in a password. So you can follow this step, but however, if you are trying to reset your password, what you can do is open up a web browser and then search for Spotify password reset. This is the official page where you can reset your password of your Spotify. So just open up this link, add in your email address or your username, and through this process you'll be able to easily reset your account. Now also what you'll need to keep in mind is that you are not connected to any VPN. So make sure you disable your VPN before you try these steps. So once you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify password reset problem. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.